Center announces limited permission for opening of shops for green zone area. Development works halted due to nationwide lockdown. One unidentified detained by VDP at Delhi. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news of the day. And now the news in detail. Bringing more relief to the lockdown-stricken citizens, the Ministry of Home Affairs on Friday granted permissions for opening of shops in the green zone areas. This, however, is yet to be announced at the state and district level before the central notification comes into effect. Here is a report.
In its latest notification, the Central Home Ministry announced relaxations for shops in residential complexes and market complexes, except shops in multi-brand and single-brand malls outside the limits of municipal corporations and municipalities, and also for neighborhood shops and standalone shops to open its business service. All shops will function with 50% strength of workers, with wearing of masks and social distancing being mandatory. However, this order is applicable only to the green zones and not for the hotspot and containment zones. The state government and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have not made any announcement with this regard to the central government's latest notification at the time of filing of this report. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving on to another news, the ongoing construction of RCC bridge over Diflo River, which is being constructed by the Kohora Road Division under the Mahavir Lachit Chilarai Setu Nirman Abhijan, is unlikely to be completed anytime soon due to the ongoing lockdown. More from our Dolomara correspondent.
According to sources, the construction work has stopped immediately after the announcement of nationwide lockdown to stop the spread of the corona pandemic. Even though Karbi Anglong district is still considered a green zone area, halting of construction work would also prove to be equally costly for the people of this area, as water level is rising, damaging parts of the bridge. The workers are also going back home tomorrow. What is certain for Sarbe Kro, Dathora, Upper Dathora, Dipluso, Rong RA and other villages is that the hardships that they have to face to cross the river is likely to continue for a long time until the construction work is resumed and the bridge is completed. RJ Sonrong Park for Karbi Anglong Live.
In the latest news that has come in, tense situation prevailed in Delhi area after a non-local man was apprehended by the VDP group at Delhi. Here is a detailed report.
The man who was apprehended by Delhi VDP team had sneaked into Assam while he was planning to head home in Nagaon. The man was handed over to Delhi police where he was interrogated. According to Delhi police station OC Ranjit Hazarika, the man was identified as Anwar Ali, son of Muhammad Ali and Khadija Khan, resident of Bilutia village under Dhing police station, Nagaon district. The man revealed that he was working at Khair Mahal in Dimapur. Meanwhile, he is now being kept under quarantine.
Delay outpost sir dom han phone kurisi 108 pen wangsi paponik dalo
Vijay Rongpi from Delhi for Karbi Anglong Live.
In yet another news, food items to families affected by the lockdown continued in remote villages along the interstate border areas inside West Karbi Anglong here today. Here is a report.
Under the initiative of the POSCO Reach Out and Amri Youth Movement, food items including rice, vegetables and salt were distributed to several families of Birsingki, Chupilangso, Umswai, Pantalu, Umsatri and nearby areas. Father Dennis Solomon and Father Quirinus Imli of Angkachik Parish also donated relief materials and moreover provided vehicle for the team to carry out relief work in different parts of the constituency. Lovin Kro, Robert Sten, Cyprian Pamjong, Edmund Timung and several youth leaders of the constituency were present during the occasion. Similarly, in Hamren town, Several grade 3 and grade 4 employees comprising of Bidya Singh Teron, Chotro Kramsa, Sedeng Terang, Nurmohan Kramsa, Het Singh Tiso, Rajan Teron, Maloti Krupi, Homtara Ronghangpi of Rongchingdon, Sarbang Nerkep, also joined in the effort by providing food items to more than 100 families under part number 3 of Hamren Town Committee. Meanwhile, Hamren Municipal Board Chairman Biren Tiso and Hamren Wholesale Consumers Cooperative Society Chairman Joy Ingti also provided their assistance towards the affected families.
Itum karbi chokomara songa hinpen cirung kraisi lada kiduk keboy aradupik thenglohan chorabang pusai si keong nasi nola pirthe kangdang flu lasuk COVID-19 akesu pen buyar tunam dam kapanabar sai tangka kawe pen anongni kachong data thai nangkijum lai hui je thedonong si nilitum doan chokamar dak Rongchingdon kaparlo arara coating jitum ben chingwai si ilitum mahin penta ong ole pajir movie sita doan sita kajin so ang the kachera ko chinghon ang the lo pusi asa saben mero nang ko chingwai si ini pajir ko.
Likewise, 3 youths comprising of Greater Guwahati Karbi Students Association ex-president Horom Singh Ronghang, Nagaon KSF ex-president Abhijit Kro, and advocate Shantanu Rongpi distributed rice, salt and soaps to green grocers in Tongkamukam market. The 3 youths collected money out of their pockets and helped the families with food crisis. Correspondents Penshngain Lang Ratane, Daniel Ingti and Kabon Mili Tisupi reporting for Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.